Welcome guys to the lighting part. As you know, I created my project and to this Revit, so I need this this plan to the for DIALux. So now I'm going to export this file to AutoCAD because I needed AutoCAD file for the DIALux Evo. So from here just give it a name. I'm gonna give it the name and choose it AutoCAD 2010 and save it. And also for the second level, also the same process, export to CAD and again save it to AutoCAD 2010. That's it. Now I have a AutoCAD file. So now from here import a plan. I already saved it here. First I import plan for level 1. Here we go. That's the first level. So it's easy to create wall in here. So that's why I using CAD drawing. So again the second. Yes, guys, that you make sure that you import the same coordinate. As you can see now, it's fixed the same coordinate. It's not different. First, you have to make sure yourself. So now it's ready to create our wall and DIALux Evo. So now I'm going to start from level 1 and check it level 2 drawing. Go to the site. From here draw new building. Go check it. This is the building. From here you can give it the highest of the level. I'm gonna give it 4 meters, and this is the floor thickness. And from here you can give it the name. I am going to give it level 1. And this is the coordinate that our building is. So now uncheck level 1 and check it level 2 and the same process. This is the level 2. So from here not from here. Give it name from here, level 2, and story height also I'm going to give 4 meter. And this is the level 2. As you see, these are the same position. So now I have to move it up the level 2. Yeah. Everything is fine. So again come to level 1, and now it's time to create every room. So from here draw new inside contour. Right click and close. This is room 1. Yeah, this is room 1. The same process, you can continue the same process for the rest of them. Here we go. That's all. See you guys the next part. Hello guys, welcome to the next part. And this part I'm going to paint in my house. As you see now guys, I'm decorate. I want to change the color. As you can see, red, green, blue. You can mix these 3 color and make a new color for yourself. So that's it. This is the first level. So now the same thing we will do the second level also. Need this second level. That's all finished. So now let's paint in inside. So how to do from here? Black and white, and choosing the white color. The same process that we call it the outside, now inside. Inside. And also painting level 2, the inside. When you select the color tools, that hold the control key and then continue. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to put the door and window from here. For example, I select this and how we insert the door, the high, width and depth, that's all the parameters for the door. So you can put position, active building, and you click, it's directly coming here. If you click the outside line, the door will open the inside. If you click the inside line, the door will open the outside. So now let's check. As you can see, this open the inside and this open to outside. See the and also you can draw. Select the line here, and now if you want to go to give the exact distance, you can press the tab key and give your number. For example, 2 meter, 1.5 meter. It's up to you. And also you can select here and change the parameter from there. Press the tab key and give it the length or the width of door. See, now it's open inside. And select the line inside, it's open the inside. And also you can, if you select the door, and also you can change the parameter from here. You can change the weight, you can change the height, you can change the depth of the door. As you can see, now I changed the 2 meter weight. And also you can change the height of the door from here. That's all about the door, how we install the door and window. It's the same process. So now let's insert our door. For example, I want to choose, I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to draw from here to here. See, the door opened the inside. That's what I want. Now we check how it look like. See, you can change the parameter from here also if you want. So now I want a door for my room, height of 2 meter, 0.9 centimeter, weight for this room. I'm going to draw. That's it. So now I want to insert some window. Let's see what window I have choose. This one, or maybe another one. No, that's the first one. Is I think it's good. Yeah. This one is, I think, better. 1.5 weight. Yes, high 1.5 meter high, 1.5 weight, and also frame. And so now I want to draw, because the weight of the window is, my window is 2 meter. I want to, that's why I'm drawing. Now select and give it the width of window 2 meter. Let's check how it looks like. Yeah, I think that's good. So now continue the same process. That's the level 1. That's completed. Let's go to level 2. Press tab key and give it the width of window. Tab key and give it the same level 1. I can insert the door, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Welcome to part 3 lighting. In this part I'm going to create a stair and give it the material for the flooring, and first I'm going to create a platform for the kitchen. As you can see, I'm using draw rectangular room because I want to have a different assessment zone in here. That's why I'm going to create that, and also I'm going to use different material for the kitchen, so it's important to we have different zone. From here you can change the properties. You can see now it's 1 meter high, and of course I don't want this high. 0.01. And now from here material, I'm choosing this. Go to the indoor floor, from here I'm selecting this tile. This is the properties, you can change that. Yeah, this is the tile that I selected. You can change the size of tile from here. Now it's 0.5 meter. I'm going to have 0.6 by 0.6. That's it. Now I'm going to change the material flooring for the salon. I'm going to choose this, like a wood. This one I think it's fine. So if you drag and drop, it will change all the floor, but I'm not going to use that because you can just apply material. Because I want to have a different material in bedroom. For this bedroom I'm going to choose carpet. Again, indoor floor and fitted carpet. I think this is fine. For the second level also as the same. It's easy, just follow the same method for that we used the first level. So now I want to create a stair. From here, look in a stair. Yeah, that's and place in the visual. Now move it here and right click and give it a scale. And the additional setting you can change from here too. Position, the height, all about that. So let's look how it look like. Yeah, the highest maybe, yeah, that's 3 meters. I'm going to have 4 meters. So that's the stair. Now I'm going to give it the material for that, change the material, and for wall material I give it like the same wall, and maybe want to choose the one find a concrete, yeah. Hold the control key and click it. So that's the stair. So now I want to insert this, the chair, desk, from furniture and object. Go to here and from here go to catalog, and from here I'm going to find first a table, so now from here I am changing the size 1.5 by 1.5. This is the height of the disk. I'm going to have 1 meter, I think, yeah. So let's check. I think that's fine, yeah. You can change the material of the disk also, but now I'm going to find chair using draw circular, and now from here you give the number of the chair. I'm going to have 6. From here you can rotate it, and also you can right click and rotate. And now some That's for the first floor, and you can also continue the next floor the same, and see you the next part. Welcome guys to the next part 4. And this part I'm going to select the assessment zone for each room. And now I'm starting from the kitchen. As you can see, I selected the kitchen. I gave it the name from here. So from here, let's go to find the kitchen. Yeah, this kitchen, and there is visual task Lux. That's the standard, like that. And here the work plan for the kitchen, and I'm not going to change. That's a default. So now it's done. Select the next room. Come here, restroom, and there's visual text for the here 100 lux, and also work plan. .5 meter for a hall. Find the hall, filling, copy, reception desk. So from here change educational building, corridor area, corridor. Yeah, that's a corridor. So 100 lakhs for here also. I'm going to give it assessment zone for here, maybe 10 centimeter. 0.1. That's it. That is assessment zone for the first floor. So now you can choose for the second floor as same. So how to create assessment zone for the stair? From here, calculation object, calculation object, rectangular calculation object, and create a zone in here. So now go to the elevation. Now I want to give it a rotation. So right click and move. I created assessment zone for a stair because I'm going to have a zone in here, so we need to create a zone. Because we calculated according to this zone how much lux we need to in here. As you can see, we can copy and appear in the elevation, so you have to go to the site plan, and from here right click, copy and paste. Now you can move it here, and just give it minus 40.5 degree. Now I want to create a ceiling for each room. From here, go to the site, and I'm going to use the ceiling and room, draw new ceiling. Yeah, that's the ceiling that just created. And here the properties for the ceiling: distance of shell floor, ceiling height, ceiling thickness, closest side offset. That's the roof height. So you can change if you want. Go to the 3D, and this is the ceiling that we created. If you go to the elevation, and you can see very well how. And now from here you can change the distance between the ceiling and roof, and also you can change the height of the ceiling as you wish, and also the thickness for ceiling. For example, I want to have 3.5 meter. So if you change the ceiling height, at the first distance will be automatically changed. So now I want to cut the roof above this floor, so we need to cut the roof from here. This is the roof of first floor, or the floor for the second floor. Now go to the elevation, and from here you can see position, size, and cutting depth. Because the floor thickness is 0.2 centimeter, I am going to choose the 0.2. I don't need to cut more. You can see now I cut the floor of the second floor, but still we have roof of the first floor. So now I'm going to remove this is the roof for the first floor. Still there is. As you see, we have in here floor and roof, so I don't need both of them, I just need one in here. I'm going to remove a roof for the first floor and using just floor of the second floor for the roof. So from here, this building 1, and I changed the height of this building to 3.8. So now I have a roof and floor. So now let's fix it, and you can change here this color to pick color and apply material. Now this I cutted the roof in here. For the second floor also it's easy, just use the ceiling. I'm not going to draw and select for each room, and then I change the height for the ceiling 3.5. Just insert ceiling for the each room, and then you change the height for the all of them. So now select 3.05. Thanks for watching. See you the next video. Welcome to part 5 lighting. In this part I'm going to create some missing part that still I didn't create it. So now I'm going to start to create a column. We have a balcony in here and I want to create that. This is the column and this is the properties for the column. This is the height, so I'm gonna choose 3.8. So just check it in the elevation. So now just copy paste. Yeah, that is the column. So now choose platform. From here, draw polygon root element. Right click and close. That's the setting, white, lane, high. Now it's 1 meter high. So go to elevation. From here now I'm gonna change it 0.2. So it's from here 3.8. Yeah, that's that I wanted. Find the material and change it to material. And also the column. So now go to the site, and now I want to create here a site. So from here you can change the size and go to the elevation. Position. This is the site that I recently created. So from material, I'm gonna choose a material for that. Maybe grace, yeah, this one. So in here I'm going to create on another floor. This is the parking area for the car that is on the first floor. Select the material for that. And this is the parking area. So now I'm going to create a wall in here. And from here I'm going to change weight and height. Maybe 0.2, and also you can right click and adjust it by scale option. That's the position of this wall. So I'm going to choose 4.8. And that's the height of the wall. As you see, it's the same. You can copy paste for the rest of them. So now I'm going to create the yard. I need a column in here, so I have to change the properties of this column because I'm not going to use 3.8 for the height for this. Maybe 1.8. Yeah. And now let's just copy and paste for the rest of them. That's all the code that I recently created. So again, using from the platform, draw rectangular element for the wall. From here, change the setting. This is the width, the length, and the height. So I'm going to change the height of the wall. We want 1.6. So from here I'm going to bring it down 0.2. Yeah, that's the same. Yeah, and the column as well. Now just right click and scale it. For the next, the other wall, you can just copy and paste. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.